Quick video of the new exhaust. The AWE for the Rebel. One thing I wanted to bring up real quick before I do a cold start is a lot of people have mentioned that when you are trying to remove your stock exhaust, one of the runs, the driver's side, is one solid piece. There's no breakaway points. So something that made it a whole lot easier was putting my drop trailer hitch in backwards, which you can do because you have to take off your tire and your heat shielding. Putting that on backwards, putting a pin in, and then jacking it up from here to get a little extra height. Anyway, on to the cold start. If I can get my keys out of my pocket. Give me 1 second. So my remote start turned off because I need gas, apparently. Let's turn the AC down. Truck's still on. It's already warmed up enough that it's not much of an issue. And it's quiet. It is quiet. Oh, there I am. So I'm gonna go down the road a little bit. You can hear it, but it's not too loud. I'm gonna go get some gas and then I'll get a little more video footage. Wasn't that low after all? Okay. Anyone else remember when gas was like $3? And people still complained that it was too expensive? Pepperidge Farm remembers. Alright, so you just heard the engine turn over. Still super quiet. It's very civilized once the engine's warmed up. I'm gonna try to get out of here. And I'll come back whenever I'm on the road. Alright, I'm on the road again. Video editing magic. So, you can hear the exhaust when you want to. You can also hear the blow-off valves make that nice little sound. From TurboSmart, not the stocks. Yeah, I really don't know what else to say about it. It's a good sounding exhaust when you want it to, you know, make itself known. And when you're just putting around, it's civilized, it's quiet, not gonna piss off the wife. But it'll make you smile when you need it to. Good exhaust. I'm happy with it. This also now means that I have a GT exhaust that I'm probably going to sell for like $500 if somebody wants it. That's local. I have no intentions on shipping a big-ass exhaust. But if you're in the DFW area and you want a GT exhaust, and you just have a base Rebel or any other Ram that has the Hurricane and doesn't have a GT package, I have an exhaust that you might want. If you're not wanting to shell out the money for a AWE, which is stupidly expensive. But that'll do it. Whee!